Shankarji, saying that Shankarji, it's a great thing you have started online this thing, and though it is targeted towards you know beginners or hobbyists, I think you should incorporate a lot of professionals also who who want to learn the proper way in a structured manner uh, and learn it from anywhere. I mean, the best part of online thing is that even if you're traveling, at some point of time you can just log in and do the class with your teacher, and then everything is available online, which you can access anytime you want to, and just complete your assignment and upload it. I've done a lot of online courses, and I still intend to do because there is no end to learning. And I feel that uh, in a structured manner, if a course is taught and we as students be a part of it, and it is easily accessible on multiple devices like laptop or tablets or phones or anything, even when we are traveling, that helps us a lot. So I guess that is what education, true education, makes you humble, makes you realize your shortcomings, and uh, generates that excitement within you and helps you to explore further, because there is no end to learning. Uh, I can't, no one can say that I know everything in this world. That's it. That is the beauty of any kind of education. I mean, if it is imparted in a proper way, and I'm really thankful to Shankarji, Chaitra ma'am, and Shankar Madhavan Academy for doing that. I mean, it is really, really nice the way the whole curriculum is structured and presented to us. It's really remarkable. I mean, I'm really glad that I'm part of this academy, and I'm blessed to be a part of this, and getting so much of uh, guidance, which is helping me every day, every day. Sometimes people feel that we guys are doing music every day, so that is only riyaz. What is the need for riyaz? But it is actually not true. Riyaz is something, it's a different discipline. It has nothing to do with the kind of music we are producing every day. And if you, I'm sure if you ask Shankarji also, he'll also say the same thing. I mean, uh, it is very, I mean, it is very important to practice your skills in a practice mindset. Uh, Generally, what happens is uh, when we sit to practice, sometimes instead of doing that raga, we start singing some song, or there is a hangover and whatever. So I don't do that. I mean, I used to do that earlier, but now I've tried and developed an habit of goal oriented, focus oriented work. It keeps things simple for me also. It's like a schedule which I have to follow daily, and it gets work done. It increases my. Uh, I participated in a contest. Uh, I think it was in MTV. It was on MTV, and Javed Akhtar Saab was the judge there. So he really liked my voice there, and I won that contest. And he said that as a part of uh, winning that contest, he uh, he he said that he will give the opportunity to the winner to work with him, uh, sing a song which is spent in the next movie. That's how I got introduced to Javed Saab, and Javed Saab introduced me to Shankar Ehsaan Loy. So I got to sing. Uh, the film's name was Ye Kya Ho Raha Hai. It was directed by Hansal Mehta, and I got to sing for them. Yeah.
Namaskar everyone, my name is Arnab Chakravarti. In this time of pandemic, when the future is uncertain, being there for each other is of paramount importance. And I want to thank Shankar Madhavan Academy for raising awareness through this topic. As you all know that we are all stuck at home, especially for performing artists like us. the future is uncertain. We don't know when the lockdown will open and when we'll go out and perform in front of a live audience. In these times, a lot of people are out of job. They are not really in a good space. So being there for one another is extremely important for our mental health. And music really helps in that matter, especially classical music. Our gurus are our leaders, our therapists, whatever you may call them. They are there to guide us through difficult times. And music not only enriches our soul, but also provides us a lot of relief. So I would like to thank my Guruji, Srimati Vidushi Chaitra Sontake, for always being there for me and guiding me. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. Today I'll perform a small bandish in Jhaptal in Raga Ahir Bhairav. Hope you'll enjoy it. प्रभु तेरो दर्शन